This is Grizzly Country Outdoors. This is Grizzly Country Outdoors. Grizzly Country Outdoors. This is Grizzly Country Outdoors.
Another beauty trail heading into the heavy spruce. Yeah. I gotta show you something here. I do all my hunting on foot, eh? So when I'm hiking I can get kind of warm. I gotta show you this hiking stool of mine. This thing, of course, like everything I got, 30 years old. But you see here, the first thing, I got a short strap on it. So I can put that up over my shoulder, clip it on. It's got one of them foam seats on it. No matter where I go, it's soft, it's warm. That leg, just my two legs and that to balance, so you get a tripod, always level. And the bottom, the plastic, that's so it doesn't freeze to the snow. You see how the snow is sticking to the wood? It doesn't stick to the plastic. So you can sit in a spot, the snow doesn't stick to it and make all scrunchy sounds. This is actually not the original leg. The top is original. I actually put this new leg on here 3 years ago, I'll say. I used to always use a 2x2, but the 2x4 is better, stronger, doesn't wiggle as much, and didn't add any weight, honestly. I'll show you something else with this thing. So when I clip this on, like so, I always put it on my left side so it doesn't interfere with my gun. Okay, so here it is. Look at this. If I'm going up through the bush and I see something, look at the rest of it. You see that? It's rock solid. When I'm walking through the bush, look at that. I mean, just rock solid. No matter where, you know, deer or moose, whatever it is you hunt. You know, rifle comes up, elbows on there, and we're ready to buck. The greatest outdoor gadget. One of them. I got some others I'll show you. Oh yeah, I got some others. I'm going to do a series of videos actually on hunting gadgets. My left elbow just rests right on that. Gives me a perfect shooting rest. That's a hunting gadget right there. Honestly, next to my gun and my license, my toilet paper, don't leave home without that. This is like the most useful hunting gadget I have. Had it for so long. When I get hot, take a seat, find a good spot, sit it, take a seat. Hunt and move, eh? Hunt and move. And I'll spend the whole day sitting on that in between walking. 8 hours on it. Right. Well, I'll tell you something too. I'm refusing to show you the trail. I'm at the side of the trail. Wicked deer trail right there, look at that. Just up ahead, that big rub that I saw the other day and I took a short video of, it's right ahead of us. So, we're gonna pick up our gun and mosey on here. What did I tell you, folks? That's that big rub I saw the other day. Very nice.